What is up, guys? Tommy here with Sinister Productions. Welcome back to the channel. Today is a really cool video. It's just an introductory video for the new project that I did tell you guys about in the last video. I'm really excited about it. It's nothing like, you know, a GT500 or Corvette or any of that stuff. It's just something that I've wanted for a while, and I just haven't gotten my hands on one. And I've been in need of a daily driver. So like I explained in the last video, I needed a daily driver, something cool, sporty, and something I could kind of tinker around with for the channel. And I think I did find that with this car, so I'm going to show it to you right now in this clip. Hold on. All right, guys, I am getting ready to go into the bank and actually do the transaction. The guy's getting ready to pull up with my car now. Can't wait for you guys to see it. Hold on one second. There it is. Look at that beautiful thing. There you go. Picked up you just saw it go by on the clip, picked up a 2010 Mustang GT premium track package car. And I'm going to show you the car right now. It's a little overcast right now because of the rain. It was raining a little bit ago. And also, it's starting to get a little dark. That's all right. Hold tight. I'm going to show you right now. And there she is, guys. Grab her blue 2010 Mustang GT premium track package car. 57,000 original miles, stick shift, 5-speed, Tremec 4.6 liter V8. It's not fast by any means, especially compared to that, but it is a very fun daily driver. It does have, this car is 100% stock except for the, it does have Flowmaster axle backs on it, which sound pretty good, which I will go ahead and I will start up and let you hear that in a second. But she's a very, very nice car. Full leather interior, heated seats, stick shift. Obviously, it's got all the my color because it is premium. No tears in the seats, no issues here. This is just a little bit of stress wrinkles, nothing major. Everything's, you know, very nice and clean. But I am super excited to bring this car to the channel. It is something that I can kind of build on and, you know, tinker with and start from the ground up. It's not like working on the Shelby to where I don't want to do a whole lot to the Shelby. You can't do a whole lot to these cars without, you know, without ruining them. I don't want to ruin the car. It's not a Mustang GT. It's a special car, at least in my opinion. That's all that matters. But it is a very special car. So I love this car. It's not going anywhere. It's staying on the channel. This is what the channel is about. Is the Shelby GT350. Oh yeah, wait a minute. What's that? That would be the wheels. RTR Aero 7 wheels for the other Sinister. So I've got a set of lowering springs coming for this, thanks to a friend of mine. I'm just going to show you really quick what I've got. Boom. These are the RTR Aero 7s, the newest wheel that RTR has put out, and it looks badass. These are 20 by 9.5s. The backs are going to be 20 by 10.5s. So yeah, I'm going to be putting these wheels on that car. I do, like I said, I have a set of lowering springs coming for it. I'm excited to get those on the car as well. And there are a few things I do need to do to it, a few maintenance things. I need to do oil change, fresh oil change. It does need front and rear brakes. So I'm in desperate need of rotors and pads for this thing. I'm going to probably replace the brake hoses and do like the braided, steel braided, stainless steel braided brake lines and stuff like that on it. And just do nice stuff. I need to, just do maintenances, make sure it is up to par to my standards. And it did come with this nifty little thing here, which is kind of cool. I do like this. It's just a hideaway license plate bracket. That way I can just leave my license plate under there. And then if a cop pulls me over, I'll be like, oops, whoops, I forgot it. Let me go pull it out for you. Ha, pull it out for you. But, yeah, guys, this is it. It's not a very long video. I will do a startup, so just so you can kind of hear it. It is a 3-valve. I am dying to put cams in this thing because these things sound amazing with cams, and I can't wait for that. So hold tight. I'm going to do a startup for you. There you have it, guys. Sounds really good. Nice deep tone. And I love the front ends of these things. I love the marker lights and the fog lights. And it just looks really good. Looks really good. I love it. But I love the dash, the gauges, and all that good stuff too. It's pretty cool. It's got I put the my color and set them to the blue. It's kind of having a hard time picking it up in here right now, but all right, guys, that is going to do it for this vlog. Just a really quick vlog, lots of content coming out your way. GT 350, Mustang GT, S197, S550 stuff. We're gonna be doing it all. 3-valve stuff. There's not a whole lot of quality 3-valve material on YouTube coming at you. I cannot wait for this, guys. Cams are gonna sound amazing. Exhaust is gonna sound amazing. Remember, this is a daily driver, so I'm not gonna be going super crazy with it. Cams, mild things here and there, make it look good, sound good. This thing's gonna get lowered on those RTR wheels. It's gonna look amazing on those wheels. So really can't wait for that, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the bell. We got a lot of stuff coming up, guys. Can't wait. See you in the next one.
Everybody wanna play me, everybody wanna change me. Nobody ever gonna phase me. No fake accounts like KD. Doing the shit that I want to. Nobody I'll ever run to. Every time I come